Think of this as a menu of options. Each morning, immediately upon rising, select a few and say them out loud and/or write them down. Doing this will set the tone for your day and get you moving in a positive direction. Am successful. I am confident. I am powerful. I am strong. I am getting better and better every day. All I need is within me right now. I wake up motivated. I am an unstoppable force of nature. I am a living, breathing example of motivation. I am living with abundance. I am having a positive and inspiring impact on the people I come into contact with. I am inspiring people through my work. I'm rising above the thoughts that are trying to make me angry or afraid. Today is a phenomenal day. I am turning down the volume of negativity in my life, while simultaneously turning up the volume of positivity. I am filled with focus. I am not pushed by my problems. I am led by my dreams. I am grateful for everything I have in my life. I am independent and self-sufficient. I can be whatever I want to be. I am not defined by my past. I am driven by my future. I use obstacles to motivate me to learn and grow. Today will be a productive day. I am intelligent and focused. I feel more grateful each day. I am getting healthier every day. Each and every day, I am getting closer to achieving my goals. Through the power of my thoughts and words, incredible transformations are happening in me and within my life right now. I am constantly growing and evolving into a better person. I'm freeing myself from all destructive doubt and fear. I accept myself for who I am and create peace, power, and confidence of mind and of heart. I am going to forgive myself and free myself. I deserve to forgive and be forgiven. I am healing and strengthening every day. I've made it through hard times before, and I've come out stronger and better because of them. I'm going to make it through this. I do not waste away a single day of my life. I squeeze every ounce of value out of each of my days on this planet. Today, tomorrow, and every day. I must remember the incredible power I possess within me to achieve anything I desire. I do not engage with people who try to penetrate my mind with unhelpful thoughts and ideas. I walk away when a person or a situation isn't healthy for me. I belong in this world. There are people that care about me and my worth. My past might be ugly, but I am still beautiful. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. My soul radiates from the inside and warms the souls of others. I don't compare myself to others. The only person I compare myself to is the person I was yesterday. And as long as the person I am today is even the tiniest bit better than the person I was yesterday, I'm meeting my own definition of success. Note to self, I am going to make you so proud. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I feed my spirit. I train my body. I focus my mind. This is my time. My life has meaning. What I do has meaning. My actions are meaningful and inspiring. What I have done today was the best I was able to do today. And for that, I am thankful. One small positive thought in the morning can change my whole day. So, today I rise with a powerful thought to set the tone and allow success to reverberate through every moment of my day. I set goals and go after them with all the determination I can muster. When I do this, my own skills and talents will take me to places that amaze me. Happiness is a choice, and today I choose to be happy.